Taurus, if you feel stuck, over-attached, or tense in your neck or jaw, these 7 herbs will help you restore balance without forcing change. But first, before we move on, this channel connects plant medicine, astrology, energy work, and emerging intelligence in health. Like, share, and subscribe to stay informed and empowered. Number 7, Agrimony. Agrimony helps Taurus release what's held too tightly, supporting emotional honesty and inner ease. Number 6, Dandelion leaf. Dandelion leaf encourages gentle movement and digestion, preventing stagnation without harsh detox. 5, Mullein. Mullein gently releases tension from the chest and throat, allowing emotional and physical softening without destabilization. 4, Licorice root. Licorice supports the throat and voice, helping Taurus express needs instead of holding everything inside. Number 3, nettle leaf, a deeply nourishing herb that supports thyroid health and builds long-term vitality, perfect for Taurus's need for sustained strength. Coming in at number 2, jasmine flowers. Jasmine awakens the senses and reconnects Taurus to embodied enjoyment when life feels repetitive or dull. And number 1, rose petals. Rose is pure Venus medicine, softening emotional rigidity and helping Taurus receive pleasure and self-worth without clinging. All of these herbs are available at cedargroveherbs.com. Use code PURELOVE for 15% off and support your body, voice, and sense of value with real plant medicine.